Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Just Be with Mahesh. Today I would like to say something about a new course which has come up, which is Professional Cloud Architect Beta 1. So you may ask Mahesh, we had already this certification. Yes, but there are some new updates in this beta is what I understand from the documentation. Let's get started. All right, I guess on the first of this year, I had made up a video that about the updated stuff. So I had done a recertification, had talked about all those things, and I'd also mentioned the recertification was not focusing much on the new product. So this was very mentioned, clearly mentioned in my video, and I also heard the same story from many of the folks who took exam till the last week, which is maybe the first week of or the last week of January. It was the same case. Now, as so, maybe looks like Google was working behind the scenes and they have come up with something called, if you just go to the official page, uh, you have something called as Professional Cloud Architect Beta. So this is an indication that you may expect a new format, new templates, all those things. So it's a beta. So usually, if you have seen any other certifications, how Google has launched, usually they launch it in a beta, then they will make it as generally available. So currently, you can take two exams basically. One is the generally available cloud architect, or if you want to take the beta, so which I am expecting to have more updated stuffs basically, but because it's beta you get it at a discounted price. It is $120, but it's going to be longer, so the number of questions are going to be more, and the most important thing is the case studies. So previously or in the current generally available generally available uh, exam, you have Monkey Games, Terramuth, and Dress for Win. So if you had seen the history, so in the beginning 2018 there was Monkey Games, Dress for Win, Terramuth, Jenkomat. So in November 2019 18 9th of November, Jenkomat was dropped. So only the three was there: Mount Greek Games, Terramuth, and Dress for Win was there. Now in 2021, you see a beta version where Dress for Win is dropped, and you are left with Monkey Games and Terramuth. And there are two more case studies, interesting case studies, something on helicopter racing league. So I've not looked into the details of it, but it is more in a PDF format, so you can also save it locally if you want. So, and something on healthcare basically. And I also checked going into the Criterion website. There is a option to register for this beta professional cloud architect beta certification. So this is, I would say, really a good news. And the stuffs which I mentioned was not there even after recertification. The questions are, or the concepts are still relying on the older stuffs, hoping for a better thing. So you may have some good stuffs. So what was recently launched, something like Cloud Run, maybe on data fusion, those kind of stuffs, maybe concepts, and the case studies are also new. So just a thought of sharing this new update. So if you are planning to do, I'm not sure when this beta is going to be become generally available. So make sure you plan it accordingly and make sure you keep your concepts up to date. So that's the information which I wanted to share today, folks. Hope the video is helpful. Thank you for watching.